The best a man can get. 1975, the Deluxe Trac II. Fixed head. Take a look at that. Nice gold hue Gillette logo. Beautiful. Very, very nice. In 1980, Gillette introduced the Metal Atra Handle. Beautiful, hefty, Gillette branded 2-blade, and the introduction of pivoting head, which was a game changer at the time. If you were coming into manhood in the 80s, late 80s, you had a sensor, you know you did. Now, not only did the sensor have the pivoting head, there was a new breakout feature, individual spring-loaded blades. A beautiful looking razor too. In 1993, Gillette upped its game and introduced the Sensor XL handle. Gray metal on light gray rubber bits. Beautiful. 2 blades, individually spring-loaded, microfin technology. The best a man can get. All right, guys, I'm excited about this video. I'm going to show you some vintage razors today. And I want to thank my friend Jimmy G, who is just the consummate shaving guru. If you want to know anything about gear, accessories, anything about the business end of the shaving game, Jimmy G is the man. And I want to thank you, brah, for sending me these awesome vintage razors. I'm going to go right through them, and then I'm going to follow this video up with shaves of each. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to start off with Gillette's Trac II. This is the Deluxe Trac II. Look at this, guys. This beautiful deluxe handle, very, very nice. The original Trac II was released in 1971 and then followed up with this deluxe model in 1975. Take a look at that. It's beautiful. It's got a gold hue here. Now, the Trac II had a fixed head. In fact, the carts slide on. It's a little awkward today, but features a dual blade where the first blade pulled the hair and the second blade cut it closer to the skin. This is the first time that was actually used in marketing. This deluxe handle, other than its beautiful aesthetics, had improved ergonomics and just made for a more comfortable shave. I can't wait to show you this in an upcoming video, but just take a look at that. Beautiful brown and gold. You've got the Gillette logo here. You've got the fixed head and loop strip up top. Beautiful. All right, so in 1980, Gillette introduced the Metal Atra Handle. Nice, hefty, knurled, beautifully knurled handle. Take a look at that. And a new distinction. We still have the 2 blades and the lube strip, but now we have a pivoting head, which was a game changer at the time. Beautiful razor. So the Atra razor was actually introduced in 1977 as Gillette's first dual blade pivoting head razor. Take a look at that. Very nice pivot that we've all become used to in a cartridge razor. This hefty metal variant became popular in the 80s and really was a workhorse of a shaving device for many, many years. Take a look at that. Again, lube strip, 2 blades, pivoting head, and the microfin technology. It wasn't branded microfin at the time, but it was the just plastic guides at the bottom. Very, very solid. Take a look at that, guys. Easy to load and remove cartridges. Now, Gillette went to market with the Atra as the razor that pivots for a close, comfortable shave. Next up is the razor that I'm most familiar with, the device that I used when I started to shave. And it also ushered in the marketing term that's been around for a while, Gillette, the best a man can get. And you guessed it, guys, that is the sensor. Now, this is the workhorse vintage cart razor with this metal handle, rubber, little non-slippy kind of grippy bits here. The Gillette logo here. You had the patented lube strip, pivoting head, 2 blades, and the guide down here, plastic guide. Beautiful technology. Now, not only did the sensor have the pivoting head, there was a new breakout feature, individual spring-loaded blades. That's right, the two blades were loaded on springs and moved independently. This created a great dynamic shave that matched the contours of your face even more so than the Atra. It's beautiful. Take a look at that. Again, slim line, lube strip up top. Very, very beautiful. Just a beautiful looking razor too. The best a man can get. This was also easier to rinse, less clogging. This is just the standout when you talk about vintage Gillette cartridges. You're talking about the sensor. All right, now guys, last but certainly not least, in 1993, Gillette upped its game and introduced the Sensor XL handle. Gray metal on light gray rubber bits, the XL logo on one side, and the sensor logo on the other. This was an updated version of the original sensor. It still has the beautiful twin blades in a very slim form factor, pivoting head, but it added microfin technology, these rubber guides now, that had a softer feel, but actually guided the hairs into the two razors to be cut. The spring-loaded blades were improved for a much better, smoother, more consistent shave. Take a look at that. Just a beauty. The gray on gray. And I've been looking for this model for a long time, so I want to thank Jimmy G. And Gillette, if they do anything well, they market. Gillette promoted the Sensor XL with the tagline, soft microfins for the closest, most comfortable shave, and focused on adding comfort and precision with the new microfin technology. And if you were shaving back in the early 90s, you probably had one or two or three of these kicking around. I want to thank Jimmy G for sending me all these vintage razors. And guys, I'm going to get through all four of them with upcoming shaves, but I was just so excited to share this video with you. He's also sent me a load of the carts, so I will be able to do a lot of shaving coming up in the near future for you guys. And some Gillette foamy. It's going to be an all Gillette affair. All right, 4 dynamic and beautiful vintage razors from Jimmy G. I want to thank you, brah, for sending these, and I will get them out in reviews coming soon. If you like this content, leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe, and share these videos with everyone. And guys, I'll see you soon with reviews of all of these. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. The best a man can get.
Took it like a shot.